In this video, you'll learn how to run payroll on Gusto, a user-friendly platform that's perfect for managing your business's payroll processing. Whether you're new to Gusto or just need a refresher, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. First, make sure you're logged into your Gusto account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The interface is designed to be intuitive, but it's always beneficial to know where everything is located before diving into the task at hand. Now, let's get started with running payroll. Begin by navigating to the main menu. Here, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, you want to focus on the payroll section. Click on the Payroll tab to proceed. This is where you'll manage all things related to paying your team. Once you're in the payroll section, look for the option that says Run Payroll. This button is your gateway to initiating the payroll process. Click on Run Payroll, and you'll be directed to the next step, selecting the current pay period. It's important to select the correct pay period to ensure your employees are paid accurately. You'll see a list of pay periods, so find the one that corresponds with the current cycle. Once you've identified the right pay period, click Run Payroll next to it. This action will take you to the detailed payroll entry page. On this page, you'll enter the necessary details for each employee. This includes hours worked, any overtime, and any bonuses or deductions applicable for the pay period. Take your time entering this information to ensure everything is accurate. Mistakes in payroll can lead to complications, so double-check each entry. As you input the details, Gusto will calculate the total amount to be paid, including taxes and other withholdings. This automated calculation is one of the benefits of using Gusto. It saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Once you've entered all the employee data for the pay period, review everything one more time. Check the totals, ensure taxes are applied correctly, and confirm that bonuses or deductions are accurately reflected. If everything looks good, you can proceed to save and submit the payroll. After submission, Gusto takes care of the rest. The platform will process the payments, ensuring that your employees receive their paychecks on time. Gusto also handles tax filings, which is a huge relief for many business owners. Running payroll might seem daunting at first, but with Gusto, it's a seamless process that becomes easier each time you do it. Remember, accuracy is key, so take your time to input and review all data carefully. With Gusto's user-friendly platform, you can manage payroll with confidence and ease. And there you have it. Running payroll on Gusto is a straightforward process that, with a bit of practice, will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll processing.